how to import Yahoo Mail into iCloud Mail on iPhone. First, let's go back to the home screen. Then tap on Settings. And in Settings, we tap on the Apple account name. Next, we go down and tap on iCloud. From here, tap on CO. Then tap on iCloud Mail. Next, scroll down. Then tap on Import Messages. Then tap on Continued. And next, we tap on Yahoo. Okay, so here we need to sign into your Yahoo account. Okay, so sign into your Yahoo account. Once you have signed in, simply tap on the account name. Now tap on the Agree button for Yahoo Mail and Profile. Then we can tap on the Close button to return to iCloud Mail settings. And here you can see it shows Importing Mail. It is now important, just wait for it to finish. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.